Hi guys, in this video I'm going to show you guys two websites that is going to be paying you guys free paper money in this video coming up. So without further ado, let's dive right into it. But before I get into this video, I want you guys to promise me two simple favors. Just smash that like button real hard and don't forget to take action after watching this video I'm going to show you guys. So the first website I'm going to be showing you guys is called Savvy Connect. So this website basically is an app. You download the app on your phone, and if you leave it there on your phone over a month, they'll pay you just $5 by just leaving it on your phone. But if you want to earn way more, you can complete simple surveys on this website and earn way more. But just by default, just by having the app on your phone, you earn automatically 5 USD. So let me just give you guys a quick breakdown of this app before I go to the second app. So this app is called Savvy Connect. So what is Savvy Connect? Savvy Connect is a survey delivers survey at your fingertips. In addition, our VIP program uses safe cutting-edge technology to collect your data. So once they collect your data, they sell it to brands and marketers out there that want to use ads to target people. So they sell your data, your usage, what you go to, everything you use your phone to do. So they sell those data to top brands that want to use your data for ads rather. Sorry about that. So as you surf the web, while we find trends, online search, shopping, entertainment and other applications, you earn cash rewards, right? So while they entertain others and applications, so you earn cash rewards just by searching and shopping and all that. So basically, if you want to download, no need to go to Google Play or iOS. You can simply download it from here. Just click on this download for Google Play, then iOS, then you can sign up for Savvy Connect here. So there's no need for you to go to your Google app or your Apple store to search for it. You can simply go to their website, which will be on the description box below. Savvy Connect, I'll leave it there.com in case you are wondering. So just download the app. Even if you don't want to do any survey, you can just leave it and earn that extra $5. You can see install Savvy Connect in your smartphone, desktop or tablet to earn 5 USD per device each month. So they pay per month. I know this is not a lot of bucks, but I've told you guys way to, if you want to earn way more, just complete simple surveys. But just by leaving it, it's not like it's doing anything. Just like one of those apps you leave on your phone, just leave it right there. You earn up to 5 USD, and it's per each device that you connect it to. So you can connect it to multiple devices, even to your sister's or brother's phone or devices, pads, computers, and you don't tell them about it. Just leave it there, and at the end of the month you transfer the money to your own account and you can earn. I'm just giving you guys a bonus tip. Just connect it to multiple devices, whichever way you want to do it. Then you can be able to earn way more. You can scale this. Per device is 5 by default by doing nothing. So this is one of the passive income I'm telling you guys. So, but in case you want to earn way more, just complete simple surveys that will be coming your way every day. They'll be sending you surveys to complete. If you want to complete it, you complete it. So you browse the web, download the app and participate in the market research simple by surfing the internet. So get cash rewards when you surf the web and receive additional paid research opportunities. So these researches are just surveys. You just earn way more once you complete those surveys and research opportunities. That's what I'm trying to tell you. So enjoy a fully safe experience while we are committed to protecting what you share. So we protect your data. Your data is secure. They're just selling to trusted brands and companies out there that manage your data and won't misuse your data. So they have their customer service if you want to contact them and their mail. So if you have any questions so far, just leave it on the comment section below. Like you know me always, I always respond to my questions on my comments. That's because I value you guys and I hope you guys value me as well. So I'll encourage you guys, just click on the link and go through all this, go to how it works, help and login and all that. Just go through all the whole interface. So that being said, I'll move on to the second website. The second website that I'm going to be showing you guys is called smartapp.io. I'll leave a link in the description box like I said, so you can easily access this wonderful website. So let's get into it. Make your interest matter. So this is similar to the first app I showed you guys, but this one pays way more than the first site I showed you guys. So make sure you stick to the very end of this video. I'll show you guys a bonus tip on way to earn way more and all that. So join the Smart App Research Study and be part of an influential network to tech users who turn their data into useful insight and extra cash. So you can easily sign up here. So why join? So let me just quickly tell you guys a little bit about it. Smart App is a community empowers tech users from all walks of life to improve online services load and used by millions of people every day. So it's part of an elite community. So like I said, they pay way more than the first site I showed you guys. What our members is about us. Take your time and go through. These are like testimonials that you can read and see what people have been saying about the wonderful website. So this is how it works. Basically, you sign up, take a short survey and find out if you qualify to participate on that simple app research survey, which is actually simple. I guarantee you 10 out of 10 you are going to qualify. It's just a simple survey that you can easily fulfill. So once you are qualified, you install smart app on your registered device. So you install it on your registered device, and just like similar to that first app I told you guys, the more device you install it to, the more money you're going to earn. So enjoy, keep your device connected to the internet and take surveys to earn rewards for contributing important insights. So you can just leave it on your phone like the first app I told you guys, or if you want to earn way more, you can complete simple surveys and earn way more. So about the data we collect, so these are their privacy and their terms and conditions. So go through all this and know what they do and what they accept and what they don't accept. So your privacy is secured. Just read all through this. I don't want to make this video very long, so that's why I'm trying to cut it short for you guys. So how to earn. So as you can see, surveys and giveaways. Take surveys to earn cash and get automatically entered in a monthly giveaway. So they also have a giveaway bonus. Not only that they pay way more than this survey connect, they also give you guys giveaways. For those of you guys that love giveaways out there, I know a lot of people love giveaways, right? So they take surveys and do giveaways. That's the first one. Then reward, they pay you by completing those simple surveys and by just having it on your phone while they collect your data. You can earn up to, the least you can earn is up to 5 USD for every 30 days, which is a month. Your device stays connected. So once you connect it and you leave your data on and all that, you'll be able to earn 5 USD per every 30 days, which is a month, and extra loyalty bonuses for every 3 months. So they have loyalty bonuses that they give you guys for every 3 months, and this app works no matter where you are. Like I keep saying, if you want to earn way more, you switch your VPN to United States. I don't have to say it again, you already know what it is. So having these two apps on your phone simultaneously and you leave it for like a month, two of them will pay you like 20 to 30 USD, which is an extra cash for just leaving it on your phone or just completing small simple tasks or surveys that they ask you. You might just leave it as a game. From time to time, just complete one of those questions they ask you. Just leave it there casual, don't even look at it. Over time, if you multiply it to money and convert to a lot of bucks, like leave it for like 3 months, let me say 3 months, and it can reach up to 100 or more depending on how we want to take it serious. So 100 USD, convert it to your local currency, you know what it is. And like I said, if you leave it to mobile devices, imagine they're paying 5 USD per device you leave it on. Imagine connecting it to up to 5 devices in a month. You can even reach the 100 USD I'm telling you guys about just in a month. So this can act as a good passive way to earn your money. So for those of you guys out there asking me for passive income, this is a great passive income to earn. Just leave it on your phone, Survey Connect and smart app. I'll leave a link in the description box so you can easily download, and also download it on your phone and your friends and your family's phones. Download it, and so you can make that extra money. So that being said, guys, like, comment, subscribe and share this video with your friends. More videos are coming very soon, giving you guys great value on how to win in this current pandemic, in this 2020 and also furthermore 2021. So that being said, guys, a playlist will pop up on your screen. Make sure you click on that playlist and watch as much videos as you can, showing you guys many ways to earn money online on 2020. So that being said, guys, I will see you on my next video.